Hey, welcome back to another edition of Just Try It DIY. Just kind of out here chilling on the patio, and we got the cushions out this time, and for some reason, I hope you guys can see it. That one over there looks nice and clean. Look at that thing. My gosh. It looks like somebody threw it. You know what? Here, let me bring it over to you here. Let's look at these things here. Look at this. Look at one of them. It looks like it's been drugged through the mud. So we're going to try something out and see if we can get it clean. So where we usually store them is just in these bins here, and for some reason there's a clean one, there's the dirty one. So what we're going to try out, definitely not a sponsor of this channel, but this is something. I had some Turtle Wax upholstery cleaner, so I'm going to try and use some of this on here, and I'm going to use the drill and a soft bristle brush here to hopefully kind of scrub it up a little bit rather than me trying to scrub this thing down. So directions do say to shake it up pretty well, so I think we've gotten it shaken up all right. So we're going to start on this. Hopefully this will clean this thing up a little better. Like I said, I'm going to use this brush here. Alrighty, we'll let her set, let her dry a little bit, and back in a minute. Alright, so we let this dry, and it's probably been, I don't know, probably a good 10-15 minutes, and we're going to see if we can vacuum this off here. So let's. Well, I have to say I'm a little disappointed. Hoping this was going to work out a little better than that. It's definitely, when you rub your hand across it, it definitely feels a lot cleaner than it did before. But I think we're going to have to try and find something else here. So So here we go. That was round 2 of trying to do this. I don't know, maybe it does look a little better. No, we'll let it dry. We'll come back, vacuum it off. See you in a little bit. All right, so we gave it a second scrub. It's all pretty dry again. Let's vacuum it up. All right, hey, let me grab the other one. Still see, definitely not quite as bright as that one there, but hey, well, I guess we're gonna have to live with it for right now. But like I said, if anybody has any other suggestions or anything on how to get these clean, short of throwing them in the wash machine or something, yeah, let me know down below in the comments. And like always, like, share, subscribe, and hey, we'll see you guys next time.